terror and insurgency and insecurity in general, funding of the military, strategic security knowledge and vision of the nominees, finally, and welfare of the military personnel. We are aware of the many sensitivities around national security matters, and because of our desire to robustly engage the nominees to a level of granularity across many subject areas, we have decided to conduct these vigorous exchanges behind closed doors. This will not only help protect national security, but more importantly, also give the nominees the freedom to respond more adequately, comprehensively, expansively, without any fear of an unwitting exposure of sensitive information. After my opening remarks, the nominees will have the opportunity to state their vision and aspiration for their respective roles. We will then be conducting the screening individually for each nominee in closed sessions. Over the next days, we will compile our notes, deliberate fully and extensively as a committee, and submit our report and recommendations to plenary next week. It is my hope that the frank, constructive engagement we will have today with the nominees will be the flavor of future encounters, and if they are confirmed by the National Assembly.
I believe that visions are meant for institutions and not for individuals. But of course, as a military commander, I intend to have a leadership focus and philosophy and outlining the broad areas. And to this, I intend to see a very professional armed forces, an armed forces that is effective, an armed forces that is agile, an armed forces that is result-oriented, and of course, that is loyal to constituted authority.
I want a Nigerian army that is repositioned to professionally defeat all adversaries in a joint environment. Emphasis will be particularly on whole-of-government approach and whole-of-society approach, where each and every Nigerian will be part of the security architecture to bring an end to our current problems. The vision is undergirded within the command philosophy on specific pillars: readiness, duty to country, dependability, and continuous leadership development. For particular emphasis, readiness will entail mission readiness, training, functional manning and equipment. Duty to country, we'll talk about loyalty and sacrifice to the fatherland. Dependability will be on the Nigerian Army capacity and capability to accomplish mission. And continuous leadership development will be an army that will be innovative. We have innovative leadership into the 21st century.
Distinguished committee, sir, if confirmed as the Chief of the Naval Staff, I intend, as my vision, to leverage on all factors of national location, technology, training, teamwork, and synergy to re-energize the Nigerian Navy and enhance her as a well-motivated and ready naval force in the discharge of her constitutional mandate and other tasks in fulfillment of national security objectives. I thank you for this opportunity and look forward to the closed session where more details will be revealed. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, designate CNS. You may please take your seat.
Development and application of air power in joint military operation. I will pursue purposeful training and human capacity development. I will also ensure that I sustain platforms and equipment serviceability through innovative maintenance method and logistics support system. Of course, we are going to foster a disciplined workforce essential for combat readiness. and also boost our morale for improving personal welfare.
Let me assure you that the armed forces of Nigeria today are fully aware of its constitutional role, and we are prepared more than ever before to subordinate the military to the civil authority. That we will do in order to promote the cohesion and national unity in the country. I have no doubt that those selected or those nominated by Mr. President will no doubt make this country very proud. I hope the Senate will recognize the importance of the assignment, in which even today we have some major setback somewhere, but we are capable. As soon as we finish this assignment, the appropriate service chiefs will take care of that responsibility.